Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a hair video. I've decided to change up my channel a little bit since I've gone natural. This is pretty much how much my hair has grown since my big chop. It hasn't been a lot, but it's getting some growth here. So today I'm going to try like my first wash and go. I've done a wash and go before, but they never come out good at all. So I end up just either putting it in a puff or I wash it out. Like I just don't like it. I think it's because of the way that my hair is shaped. But I'm gonna try something new today. I've been watching a lot of wash and go videos and I came up with my own concoction of products that I want to try for this wash and go. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let's go ahead and get started. I have washed my hair, so I clarified my hair, I conditioned it, and then I deep conditioned my hair. So right now my hair is like super duper soft. This is pretty much my curl pattern, if y'all could see it. And yeah, but if I let this dry, it just turns into a huge afro. As you can see, I'm using a microfiber towel. I don't use regular towels on my hair. So I did invest in a microfiber towel. I think it's really good if you are natural and you are starting your natural hair journey. So let me tell you the products that I have on my table. I have a water bottle. I have a leave-in conditioner using the Strength and Restore leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. I'm also going to use the Shea Moisture. This is a curl enhancing smoothie, and this is something new that I'm going to try, but it's called a tropical Moringa by the main Choice. So we'll see what that be like. And then last but not least, I am going to use this as my gel, but I'm only going to put this on the root because I think that this braid out glaze by Main Choice, I think this is really going to be the star of the show. So let me start off by, I'm going to part my hair. I've already finger detangled my hair whenever I deep condition, and so it's already pretty much detangled. But I like to start off quadrants, you know. Y'all know I'm used to doing makeup videos, so this is so new to me. Look how pretty this curl is. So let's get started off with this section. So we're gonna first, now for me watching videos and stuff, I know that when you're doing a wash and go, you have to make sure your hair is like super duper wet. And then the first thing I'm starting off with is this leave-in conditioner, because I haven't used my leave-in conditioner yet. So, and you want to make sure that you put it all in the section. I normally just rake it in there. I'm still trying to figure out what hair type I am. I'm trying to figure out what porosity I am. I swear it's like you're going to school trying to figure out, you know, like what your hair type is or whatever. It's like you're really trying to learn your hair. Everybody's hair is different. So these products may or may not work on your hair. It just depends on your type of porosity, and it also depends on your hair type. So now that I've put this product pretty much all the way through my hair, that's the first product that I'm putting on in each section. I always have a wide tooth comb so that you just kind of, you can comb that product through as well. Let's go ahead and get started with the lip process. Oh, another thing that I have here is this main choice. This is the growth oil. Now, I don't put oil on my hair at all while it's wet. I wait until it's dry. So I pretty much use like the LCO method. My oil is the last thing that I put on my hair. So let's go ahead and start with this part here. Let me get a little closer. Get a little closer. Cheers. I am totally drinking Canada Dry during this pandemic right now. I mean, I literally drink it like every day. Okay, so let's go on to the next product, which is my Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I'm gonna show y'all the first couple of sections, and then I will just speed it up so we can see what the end result looks like. So the first thing is my Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I'm gonna put this in, I'm gonna rake it through. So just rake that product through. Okay, so this is what it looks like while I'm raking. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this, and I'm only doing a little bit because I have fine hair and it's short. So this glaze, let me show you what this glaze is like. This glaze is extra gooey. So I'm only gonna use a little bit of it. Then I'm gonna rake this through as well. And then the last thing is just this gel. And this gel, I'm only gonna put at the roots, and I'm only gonna put a little bit. And this is only gonna go on my roots. And then what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna shingle, but I am going to kind of just go through and curl the bottoms a little bit, just twirl the bottom. So this is what these curls look like. Put in the cream. So once again, just kind of raking that product through. Okay. And then a little bit of the glaze. And then I'm only gonna put the gel on my roots. And then I'm gonna go in and just kind of define the curl at the end. So I'm not defining it a lot. I just want to just have a little curl at the end. Like that. So again, I have the worst luck with wash and go. So I don't even know if this is going to look a hot mess tomorrow. completely done. This is what my curls are looking like. Let me turn around so y'all can see. All right. Let's do this part here. Same thing to this side, and then when I get to this section, I'm going to bring that section to the front as well. So it's the next day. I slept on that wash and go, and I did see what it looked like earlier, so it's kind of like more of a big reveal to you. But I sleep so hard, like it got so smushed. This is why wash and goes never work for me. I probably have to do a wash and go like super duper early for it to dry all day, and then it would look cute. But anywho, let's see what this is looking like. Let's see here. So this is what my wash and goes look like. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't styled it. I haven't picked it out. So, I mean, the curls are popping. I ain't gonna lie. The curls came out really good. So those products actually worked really well together. I don't like to apply my oil until my hair is dry. When my hair is completely dry, so I'm actually going to apply some of this growth oil, and I only put just a little bit in my hands, and then just rub it around, and then I will just kind of just mush it into my hair. And this growth oil actually smells really good. Like, I love the smell of it. But this is the final look. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. Comment below if y'all like this, how this wash and go came out. Like I said, guys, I don't have all the answers. I am so new to this hair journey. So if y'all have anything where y'all can help me out in any way, leave it in the comments below. I'll have more hair videos to come. As I learn, I will share things that I've learned throughout my hair journey. I am not giving up on makeup videos because I love, love, love makeup so much. So I'm going to be doing a mixture of makeup and hair videos. I'll probably do like a get ready with me where I'm doing my hair and my makeup together. So if y'all would like something like that, just let me know. Leave it in the comments below. Other than that, y'all have a great quarantine day. Have some quarantinis. I mean, you know, something like that. Guys, stay safe out there, stay home, and protect yourself.